really love. Oh. Oh, that's a big earthquake. Oh, shit.
Earthquake. Earthquake.
Oh, oh, shit. This is a big one. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Okay, this is big. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, okay. We're good. Oh, this is big. What the fuck? It's still going. Alright, we're good. I think we're good. Whoa, that was crazy. That jolted me. That was kind of, what magnitude was that? Let's have a look. It's still going. Holy shit. My stream might die if it gets really bad, guys. It might, because the internet, the electricity might turn off. Oh shit, it's actually quite bad. What is this earthquake? Let's have a look. What's the earthquake? What's the magnitude right now? Has anyone seen the magnitude of that thing? That thing was fucking huge. What was that? Oh my god, it wasn't even that bad. I think it's 4? Oh, it was a 4.6 in Tokyo. Holy shit, that was scary. You are receiving wireless emergency alerts. Would you like to continue receiving wireless emergency alerts? Oh my god, everyone's texting now. Everyone's like, oh my god, is everyone okay? Well, that was fucking scary. Fucking hell. I could hear the fucking posters falling. Is all the JoJo merch good? Alright, we're good. The JoJo merch is safe, thank god. Holy shit, thank god I sealed it down. It's still kind of shaking a little bit. Yo, can we get a clip of that? Yo, can we get a clip of that? Holy shit. That was scary.